Hello, dear children. Good morning. Children, today I am going to continue with the exercise part of your first lesson, our water resources, and I am going to give project regarding this lesson. Okay, you have to do the project work on your first lesson, our water resources. So, all of you open page number 230. See, fill in the blanks. Dash water is obtained from seas and dash from rivers. So which water we can obtain from obtain from seas and which water we can obtain from rivers? Salty or saline water is obtained from seas and fresh water we can obtain from rivers. Second one, dash is a source of surface water and dash is a source of groundwater. So rivers, ponds, lakes is a source of surface water, whereas snow and rainwater is a source of groundwater. Third one, a dam that serves more than one purpose is called as dash. A dam that serves more than one purpose is called as multi-purpose project. Fourth one, dash and dash are two factors that pollute water bodies. Washing clothes and disposal of garbage are two factors that pollute water bodies. So washing clothes and disposal of garbage are two factors that pollute water bodies. Fifth one, dash is the water found under the surface of the earth. Groundwater is the water found under the surface of the earth. Next, come to choose the correct answers. See the first one, children. Channels constructed to supply water from rivers to the fields for irrigation purposes are called. So, what do we call the channels constructed to supply water from rivers to the fields for irrigation purposes? We call such channels as canals, which are constructed to supply water from rivers to the fields for irrigation purpose. Okay, we call them as canals. So, first question, option B is the correct one. Second, the Hirakud Dam is built on the Dash River. So, where did the Hirakud Dam was built? Is it on Tapi or Mahanadi or Ganga or Yamuna? So, the Hirakud Dam is built on the Mahanadi. So, option B is the correct answer. Third one, dash is the longest canal of India. So, what is the longest? Which one is the longest canal of India? Sardar Sarovar? Is it Indira Gandhi Canal? Is it Hirakud Dam or Sardar Sarovar Dam? So, Hirakud Dam is the longest canal of India. So, option C is the correct answer. See the fourth one. An artificial lake created by a dam is called dash. An artificial lake created by a dam is called reservoir. So, option D is the correct answer for the fourth question. Fifth one, Sardar Sarovar Dam is built on dash. Sardar Sarovar Dam is built on Narmada. So, these are the choose the correct answers. Now come to true or false. Water, see the first one. Water constitutes 2/3 of the earth's surface. So, did water constitutes 2/3 of the earth's surface, children? No. 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water. So, this statement is false. Fresh water constitutes only 3% of the total water on earth. Yes, this statement is true. We can find only less percentage of fresh water that constitutes on earth. Third one, States like Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan mainly depend on groundwater. Yes, these all the states mainly depend on groundwater. Fourth one, in India, agriculture is primarily dependent on irrigation. Is the agriculture mainly dependent on irrigation in India, children? Yes. The fourth statement is true. Next, come to fifth one. Damodar Valley project facilitates irrigation in Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. No, this statement is false. So, now come to the project work, children. I am going to give you the project work and you have to do it. See. Prepare a model of rainwater harvesting. You know, no need to prepare a model. So you have to draw. You have to draw a model of rainwater harvesting. And for this, you have to use color pens. Okay, color pencils. By using color pencils, you have to draw the rainwater harvesting on a sheet, and you have to submit it to the Chaya ma'am, okay, through WhatsApp. So you have to do this. Once go through the today's class, mark all the answers in your textbooks. Okay, children, do the project work neatly and carefully. All the best, children. Bye. Thank you.